Hi, I'm Lindsay Lorraine, and I'm a cookie connoisseur with ExpertVillage.com. Today we're going to bake two different kinds of cookies, and I'm going to show you how to make an almond cookie and a triple chocolate cookie that I call chocolate therapy. And the white sugar, brown sugar, flour, salt, baking soda, and today we have some crushed almonds, and we're also going to use some cocoa. So I'd like to start with the almond cookie, and we're going to mix it up using a mixer just like this. This is a normal KitchenAid, but if you don't have that at home, you can just use a spatula, a wooden spoon, and go at it in a bowl, and that's fine too. So let's start to mix.